Hi everyone, welcome to another training session. This time I don't have the green background. Instead, I'm trading it for that. Beautiful. So selling an ice to an Eskimo. Let me share with you my personal experience when I had to practice this amazing sales technique. So when I was selling hotel membership as a telemarketer, it is very common that I would be speaking to a client who would say, look, Majoy, I already have a membership with this hotel, that hotel. In order for me to convince him to give me a sale, I need to apply the sell an ice to an Eskimo approach. And to do that, I need to understand first, what are those hotels giving you? What are your favorite benefits from those hotel memberships that you have? Why did you sign up for those hotels? Must be because of ABC. So I need to identify exactly what my client enjoys from those competitors. And I need to understand that the more membership cards he has in his wallet, the more opportunity for me to make a sale. That is selling an ice to an Eskimo, guys. Because the fact that he has multiple membership cards in his wallet, he needs one more. He needs one more as an option, as an alternative for variety. So really understanding the amazing method of selling an ice to an Eskimo is really another way of selling. This is another method of selling. I know in other videos I talked about selling the needs. For today's topic, just because I'm surrounded by ice, I want to talk about selling an ice to an Eskimo, because I haven't really shared my experience and how it worked for me when I was as a salesperson. I haven't shared this to you. So really identify, what are these hotel membership cards offering you? What do you like about them? What do you least like about them? And once you identify that, then you're going to be able to position yourself and really make it about options. Make it about what other benefits I can offer you that your current provider or your current hotel membership or memberships have not offered you. So take note of this little tip I'm giving you today. Selling an ice to an Eskimo is simply identifying what is abundant to your client, perhaps something they consider unnecessary, but salespeople, we have to find a way to make our sales, whether it's selling the needs or selling an ice to an Eskimo. I hope today's little tip works for you. I'll see you on the next training session. Have a great day. And before I say goodbye, I want to give you a little tour of this beautiful Austria. See you guys. Have a good day. Bye.